The really big money in the investment world is made by the entrepreneurs who come up with the ideas of creating something that's going to change the way you and I live. The next area of big money is the investors who get in early and help finance the growth of the company before it becomes an IPO. So how do you do that? Well, one, as I said, you become the entrepreneur, or number two, you gain access to private equity. How do you do that? I found a company called Dizraptor who actually goes out and meets with the early employees who get options, and then when those options become a reality, they come in and buy the options from them and then make them available to me. As I say, it's called Dizraptor, and in this video I'm going to go into some detail as to how you can gain access to Stripe, a very exciting new company that's really big in the news right now.